Imagine a day when the sun suddenly disappears. Frightening, isn't it? Well, that's what happens during a solar eclipse. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of solar eclipses. These astronomical marvels occur when the moon, our nearest celestial neighbor, decides to play hide and seek with the sun by passing directly between the Earth and the sun. This causes a shadow to fall on Earth, which we experience as a solar eclipse. But not all solar eclipses are created equal. There are three types: total, partial, and annular. In a total solar eclipse, the moon completely covers the sun, leaving only a faint solar corona or outer ring visible. For a few breathtaking moments, day turns into night, the stars come out, and the temperature drops. It's a surreal experience that leaves you in awe of the cosmos. Then we have partial solar eclipses, which are a bit like someone taking a bite out of the sun. Here, the moon only partially obscures the sun, resulting in a crescent-like appearance. It's like the sun has decided to don a stylish hat for the day. And finally, we have annular solar eclipses, or ring of fire eclipses. In these, the moon is at its furthest point from Earth in its orbit, which makes it appear smaller. So, when it passes in front of the sun, it doesn't completely cover it, leaving a bright ring or annulus around the edges. It's a mesmerizing sight, like a cosmic ring of fire in the sky. Each type of solar eclipse has its own unique beauty, and witnessing any of them is a truly humbling experience. It's a reminder of our place in the vast universe and the celestial ballet that's constantly happening above us. So the next time you see the sun taking a break, you'll know exactly what's happening. Now, let's turn our attention to the night sky. Ever seen the moon turn a mysterious shade of red? This celestial spectacle is known as a lunar eclipse, a fascinating event that occurs when the Earth comes between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow on the moon's surface. Unlike a solar eclipse, which can only be observed from certain places on Earth, a lunar eclipse can be seen by anyone on the night side of our planet. Now, let's get into the specifics. There are three types of lunar eclipses: total, partial, and penumbral. Each one is unique and offers a different kind of visual treat. First up, we have the total lunar eclipse. This is the star of the show, the red carpet moment we mentioned earlier. During a total lunar eclipse, the Earth's shadow completely covers the moon, giving it a tantalizingly eerie red hue. The moon doesn't disappear entirely. Instead, it basks in this reddish glow, a phenomenon often referred to as a blood moon. Next, we have the partial lunar eclipse. As the name suggests, only a part of the moon is obscured by the Earth's shadow during this event. It's as if the moon is playing peekaboo with us, hiding a part of itself while the rest remains visible in the night sky. Last but not least, the penumbral lunar eclipse. This is the most subtle of the three. During a penumbral eclipse, the moon passes through the outer part of the Earth's shadow, known as the penumbra. This results in a faint shadow over the moon's surface, which can be difficult to spot unless you're really looking for it. Each type of lunar eclipse provides a unique way to observe and appreciate our natural satellite, the moon. They remind us of the intricate dance of celestial bodies and the fascinating mechanics of our universe. So, the next time the moon puts on a red show, you'll be the star of the evening with your newfound knowledge. Eclipses are not just celestial events. They have fascinated humans for centuries, haven't they? Indeed, the dance of shadows across the skies evokes awe and wonder in the hearts of those who witness it. Eclipses have left indelible marks on human history, influencing cultures, religions, and scientific thought. Ancient civilizations often viewed these events with reverence or fear, associating them with gods or omens. In ancient China, for instance, eclipses were seen as heavenly signs that foretold the future of the emperor. The Incas, on the other hand, believed that a lunar eclipse was caused by a jaguar attacking the moon. They'd shout, shake spears, and make dogs bark and howl, hoping to scare off the beast. But eclipses have not only shaped our past, they also illuminate our present understanding of the universe. By observing the way sunlight bends around the moon during a solar eclipse, Sir Arthur Eddington confirmed Einstein's theory of general relativity in 1919, revolutionizing our comprehension of gravity. In the present day, astronomers use eclipses to study celestial bodies. During a solar eclipse, the moon's shadow reveals the sun's outer atmosphere, or corona, allowing scientists to study this elusive solar feature in detail. Lunar eclipses, conversely, provide opportunities to study Earth's atmosphere and its effect on sunlight. Over the years, several eclipses have etched themselves into the annals of history. The solar eclipse of August 21st, 2017, known as the Great American Eclipse, was visible across a vast swath of the United States and captivated millions. On a lighter note, who can forget the lunar eclipse of January 21st, 2019? This super blood wolf moon not only had a catchy name but also treated skygazers to a spectacular cosmic event that turned the moon a captivating shade of red. Eclipses, thus, are more than just a play of shadows. They are windows into our past, present, and future. So, we've journeyed through the intriguing world of eclipses today. Exciting, isn't it? We've unveiled the cosmic dance of the sun, moon, and earth, a celestial ballet that results in the awe-inspiring phenomena we call eclipses. Let's take a moment to recap on our journey. We started with a peek into the world of solar eclipses, where our sun momentarily steps back, allowing the moon to take center stage. Remember, there are 3 types of these: total, partial, and annular. In a total solar eclipse, the moon completely obscures the sun, while a partial solar eclipse sees only part of the sun hidden. An annular solar eclipse, on the other hand, creates a mesmerizing ring of fire as the moon is unable to completely cover the sun. Then, we ventured into the realm of lunar eclipses, where our moon gets its moment in the spotlight, or rather, the shadow. Here too, we learned of 3 types: total, partial, and penumbral. A total lunar eclipse occurs when the moon, entirely ensconced in the Earth's umbra, takes on a dramatic reddish hue. In a partial lunar eclipse, only a part of the moon is in the Earth's umbra, while a penumbral lunar eclipse sees the moon drifting into the Earth's penumbra, resulting in a subtle, often hard to notice change in the moon's appearance. We also explored the significance and fascination of eclipses, from their historical and cultural importance to their role in advancing scientific knowledge. They're not just celestial events, they're moments when we, as a species, have looked up in wonder, curiosity, and sometimes fear at the mysteries of the cosmos. The next time you witness an eclipse, remember, you're not just seeing a celestial event, you're part of a historical human fascination with these stunning phenomena. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing journeys into our universe.